What up, y'all? I'm back. I know it's been a while. I haven't done the YouTube in a good minute. Kind of migrated to TikTok. But anyway, got another simple meal for you. I'm Chef Sonny. I got a special guest with me. This is Laiyah. This is my baby girl right here. We about to hook up some grilled cheese sandwiches for y'all. So let's get busy.
Yes. We are making grilled cheese today, and the ingredient is cheese, butter, and bread.
All right.
I'm just gonna brush the bread with the butter. Too much butter.
Too much butter?
Yes.
You never had too much butter.
Yes, you do.
Mm-mm.
Yes. Too much butter. It's too much butter.
Man, what's that good it tastes?
Yeah, but it is too much butter. I don't want to taste no butter.
Alright, 67.
Now it's time to cook bread.
Baby. Good job. Let's turn it.
Now it's time to add the cheese. You can never have too much cheese. Like you said with the butter.
Like I said with the butter. She just gave me the cheese and walked off. You said handle it from here, partner. Got it melting. Put them together. Let me do this part, okay?
Okay.
Put it under there. Put one side on top of the other. And now the trick is to cover it up like that. Turn the heat down to low. Let that cheese melt. Cheese melting. Flip it to one side. Cover it back up. Yep. Gonna let it melt some more. Scoop it up. Put it right there. Alright. Grilled cheese.
And yummy in my tummy.
This marijuana right there.
How good.
Is it good?
It's too cheesy.
Too cheese? You said you could never have enough cheese?
I'm gonna taste it.
Let me taste it too.
No, I ain't, girl. What you talking about? What?
That's good. You tripping.
Oh my God, why you gotta do that?
She said too cheesy. But she said you can never have too much cheese.
It is good. I can't stop eating.
Ooh, now that's a grilled cheese sandwich.